JeeHouse.com.
Hi students, everybody is now confused about the IIT syllabus, IIT JEE main syllabus and NEET syllabus. But silently our IIT Kharagpur, which is conducting our advanced examination this year, as actually every year one of the IIT will be given responsibility to prepare the question paper and conduct the IIT examination, especially advanced examination. Till now NTA has not took over the conducting responsibility of advance. Only mains will be conducted by NTA, and last year it was conducted, advance was conducted by the IIT Delhi. Okay, so now recently that date also announced by the NTA about JEE advance examination. So and that responsibility is given to IIT Kharagpur. So recently IIT Kharagpur have given the syllabus, and people are still in the mood of the mains only, JEE mains, and here programs are made for the IIT Advance also, and IIT Advance mock test facility is also given by IIT Kharagpur. Syllabus is also given, and but to where to check it and how to download it and how to prepare now itself. From today itself, if you start preparing for IIT Advance, then it is going to be very easy for you to crack the IIT mains. So at Whichchem YouTube channel, we think in that direction. If you are preparing for the mains, then there is less chances to crack the advance and mains also. So if you prepare for the advance now itself, automatically you will be getting seat in the JEE mains, or you will be cracking the JEE mains in the first attempt only. So once you attempt the first attempt only, if you crack it and if you are confident enough that you are going to get the seat in the JEE mains from the IIT, NITs and GFTIs and triple ITs, then definitely your positive vibes will come into your brain and you will start preparing from the IIT Advance, and that is also useful for the forthcoming 3 sessions also. Okay, so I expect all of you will do that. For that, our J Whichchem YouTube channel is the only, I hope this is the only channel where only English lecture, all lectures are in English only, so that you should not face any problems in the actual exams. Okay, so already we have a crash course for the IIT Advance also, so I will give you that link in the description box so that you can prepare for the advance. So don't think that I am not eligible or I am not aware or my level is not up to the IIT Advance, just I wanted to crack the mains. So that thinking level you have to develop. If you aspire for the IIT Advance, automatically mains is going to be an easy part of it. So let's start with the actual procedure. Okay, where you will be downloading that and start preparing, and you can take even mock test also. You can know the syllabus also from the same persons who is preparing the advanced examination question paper. Let's start. See, this is the official website. There are a lot of fake websites already. It is given by our NTA ones. Somebody collected the fees of the most of the students with the duplicate fake names. So that's why I wanted you to make aware of the websites. Okay, this is the website, and you can. I will also give this website link in the description box. You can download it. Okay, so here. Okay, now we are on the website of the IIT Kharagpur. So here there is a scrolling here. So here this scrolling, you can press on the scrolling JEE Advanced 2021 announcement. Okay, so when I am pressing this, So I will be getting so many options. Keep visiting website for actual news. Okay, then here dates are already displayed. Paper 1 3rd July and paper 2 3rd July, same date but 9 to 12 and 14:30 to 2:30 to 5:30. Okay, so here we can check here syllabus, and lot of facilities are given by the IIT Kharagpur. We should be very happy with it. See here physics, if you press you will get the physics link. Complete syllabus of the physics will be displayed. Okay, this is the official source, and once they decided means it will be definitely the same. Okay, okay, just let us take some time. Okay, here you can click on the physics, chemistry, mathematics, and architecture that will be downloaded, and I will give you that downloaded link also. Okay, here you can check syllabus also, you can check past question papers also. Okay, see. So there will be the all question papers 2007, from the 2017 7 to 2020, all papers are given paper, and that to English and Hindi, and you can take mock test also. Okay, this is the mock test place, mock test paper 1 and mock test paper 2. Okay, so this is the already clearly mentioned, this is nearly similar to the JEE Advanced 2021. May not actually, it will be, may not be exactly same. Okay, so I think all of you liked this video. If not liked, kindly like it and subscribe my channel, so that all updates will be given to you in short span of time with the accurate authentic reason. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.